Hello, I am Dr. Parit Ladani from New Face Maxillofacial Surgery Clinic in Andheri West, Mumbai. Many patients come to me with sleep issues like loud snoring and sleep apnea. They often ask, Doctor, can jaw surgery really help with breathing? The answer is yes. And today I'll explain you how jaw surgery can treat sleep apnea and improves overall health. Sleep apnea is a serious condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts while you sleep. Common symptoms include loud snoring, waking up gasping for breath, daytime tiredness, morning headaches. One common cause of sleep apnea is a narrow airway, often because of the jaw positions. For example, a small or backward lower jaw can push the tongue back and block the airway. Orthognathic surgery repositions the jaw forward. By doing this, the airway space increases, allowing smoother airflow during the sleep. This type of surgery is scientifically proven to significantly reduce or even eliminate sleep apnea in many patients. It is not just about better sleep, it is about protecting your heart, lung, and long-term health. Jaw surgery may help patients who have small and receded lower jaw, have severe snoring or diagnosed sleep apnea if patients do not improve with CPAP machines or any other conservative treatments. At New Face Clinic, we evaluate each patient with 3D imaging, sleep study reports to decide if the surgery will help. Along with better breathing, patients also notice improved energy and concentration, reduced snoring, which also helps their partner sleep better, a more balanced and attractive facial profile. So it's both a medical and aesthetic benefit. If you or your loved one suffers from sleep apnea, don't ignore it. At New Face Clinic in Andheri West, we offer advanced surgical planning to safely and effectively treat conditions. Book your consultation today and take the first step towards healthier sleep.